It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and I'm working in the garage today on my daughter's 2010 Hyundai Accent. The headlight bulb went out, and we're just going to switch them out. So let's go. So in behind the headlight there's this big nut, and you turn it to the left and it pops off. So here is your light bulb plug. You pull out on it, and there's a little metal clip that just hooks on. So you kind of push in and then move your finger this way and it'll unlatch. So the light bulbs I got for it is Sylvania, and it is a 9003. So we're going to throw them in. It's really important when you remove the lights. Some of these light bulbs you can't touch. I don't believe you can touch these, so just don't touch the glass. It'll actually shorten the life of your light bulb a lot. There is little slots. These tabs have to fit in the tabs where your headlights go in. So when you put it in, you have to try to turn it until it actually lines up and slides in, then you put your clip on. Your bulb goes in kind of like that orientation, at least on my headlight. I'm assuming it'll be the same on all of them. You get your finger on the metal tab and you push down and over, and it locks it in place. So with your finger you push down and push it that way, and it'll hook on a little latch. Now we plug our plug back on. So you put your cap on, give it a turn, and there you go. We'll do the other one. So there you go, it's all done. It isn't a really hard job to do. The worst part is trying to get the bulb lined up. You got to make sure it goes into the slot properly. And the other thing is that big black cap. That's pretty hard to line up sometimes. So, but really, you just keep fiddling till it goes in. So you guys have a good one.